Should your product listing on Amazon be a variation or a single listing? Which converts better? Let's find out. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I've already gone on Amazon. I've searched laptop cases here. And you can see here's one that's got quite a bit of color variations, and they've got 7,200 reviews. Now the question is, why doesn't this seller split up his listing and completely dominate page one? He's got a lot of different reviews. Why not list them all on page one? He's gonna convert better, isn't he? Well, the answer to that is quite simple. First, you need to understand that this seller does not have 7,200 reviews per product variation. In fact, if you combine all of these product variations reviews, then you get a total of 7,200 reviews. So if I use Helium 10 and I extract all these reviews, you can see that this ace in here, the color gray in this size, got 54 reviews. This one's got 218, this one's got 99, and so forth. So if I combine all of them, you're gonna get 7,200 reviews. Next, you need to understand that, so this has a good ranking for that particular keyword. Now, each product variation has its own BSR. If I split this up, it's not guaranteed that the blue might appear on page one or that this gray one might appear on page one and so forth, right? So in fact, some of these might be even on page 2, 3, or 4 and not be selling at all. But now the question is, why do some people split up the listing in that case? Like this person here, he split up his rug pads in size. You've got a 2x8 here, you've got a 6x9 here, and 3x5 here. And that's because this seller is ranked really well for rug pads, right? For all of them. This one he's number 5, 11, number 6. And on top of that, he already has credibility for each one of these. He's got 415 reviews for this one, 191, and 460 reviews for this one. So it makes sense that he's splitting them up and he's actually dominating page one, right? But if you're a new seller and you don't have that many reviews, you don't have any credibility at all, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a listing, you're gonna put all your variations under one listing, and you're gonna wait until you get enough credibility. I would say at least 15 reviews or more. Once you reach that stage, what you can do is you can do A/B testing. So you can split off your variations, make separate listings for each one of them, and you're gonna do a little trial for 30 days, right? You let it run for 30 days and you see what kind of results you get. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the other type. So you do 30 days with variation, 30 days without variation. And this way you're gonna be able to see, okay, well, I'm significantly sold more with variations under my listing, or maybe you sold more without variations, right? So you test it out, because every single market, every single keyword, even every single type of variation is different, right? Some people, they might have a variation because their product style is different. Some people's size is different. There's color variations. There's so many different type of variations, and you need to try what works best for your market. So guys, I really hope that this video brought some value to you guys. If it has, subscribe. I'll continue making videos like these every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.